Hello children, hope you are safe at home. Today we take a little break from prose to grammar. Grammar topic is adverbs. Adverbs are words that add to the meaning of verbs and also tell us how, when and where an action is performed or done. In the another way, an adverb is a word which tells more about the verb, adjective or another adverb in the sentence. Look at the sentence. Rahul walks slowly. Tell me what is verb in this sentence? Yes, action word walks. Rahul walks slowly. Here, Rahul's walk is very slow that time. We are talking about Rahul's walk, not Rahul, isn't it? Yes, Rahul walks slowly. Slowly tells more about the verb walks. So, adverb is slowly. Then, you must ask question how, when, where. Here, Rahul walks slowly. Verb comes along with yes. So, you must ask how does Rahul walk? We must ask question like this. Second sentence, Chacha is fishing nearby. What is a verb here? Is fishing. The next word nearby tells more information about the verb is fishing. Next we have to ask question, where is Chacha fishing? The answer is nearby. So, nearby is the adverb here. Third sentence, the boys will go home later. Will go is verb. Later. Later tells more information about the verb. Next question, when will the boys go home? The answer is later. So, later is adverb. Adverbs also modify adjectives. The villagers are very angry. Very modifies angry. Here, adjectives is angry. So, very modifies angry. The news was extremely shocking. Extremely modifies shocking. Gauri instructed the villagers to remain completely non-violent. Completely modifies non-violent. Non-violent is adjectives. Completely is adverbs. In our book, we see three kinds of adverbs. Adverbs of manner, adverbs of place, adverbs of time. Adverbs of manner. Adverbs that answer the question how are called adverbs of manner. For example, quickly, sweetly, gracefully, happily, tightly. She cried bitterly. The cat slept soundly. The crystal sparkled brightly. It rained heavily. In the above four sentences, bitterly, soundly, brightly, heavily are adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner can be formed by adding ly to adjectives. Some other adverbs of manner which are not formed the way are well, hard, so and fast. Adverbs that answer the question where are called adverbs of place. For example, here, there, everywhere, somewhere, outside. I could not find my pen anywhere. Come here, said the teacher. I kept my book somewhere and now I cannot find it. Adverbs can appear in the beginning, middle, or at the end of a sentence. Here, anywhere comes at the end of the sentence. Here comes at the beginning of the sentence. Somewhere comes at the middle of the sentence. Adverbs that answer the question when are called adverbs of time. For example, now, never, first, early, yesterday, later, today. The men are going to watch a film today. She hurt herself yesterday. I am going to play now. Ritu is coming here soon. My glasses broke recently. Here, today, yesterday, now, soon, recently are adverbs of time. Here ends the grammar. I hope you all understand adverbs. Thank you, children.